Okay, Myra. Hi, how you doing? Okay. Why don't you take your shoes off so we can get started?
They are off.
Video, I will be using a foot tub or basin, cotton balls, polish remover, bath salts, foot brush and scraper, polish, nail clippers, all of which can be purchased at the Dollar Tree. I have a nail drill from Dollar General or Family Dollar, and also a foot scrub from the mall. This is my setup in my bathroom. I just have the foot tub sitting on my shower rug. And to start off, I'm going to go in with the bath salts. And yes, I got bath salts from the Dollar Tree, honey. Why not? It's my feet. I wouldn't dare sit my whole body in this, but whatever. So I'm going to pour the bath salts up in there. You could also use, if you don't have bath salts, you can use apple cider vinegar. Or you can use both. If I would have had apple cider vinegar, I would have poured a little bit up in there, but I didn't have any, so whatever. And yeah, I'm just gonna let my feet soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. And now I'm gonna just start on my first foot, and I'm gonna go in and clip my toenails because, darling, they need them things. Next, I am going to be taking my nail drill, and I will be using the diamond cone first. And the diamond cone is good for callus. It is good for getting the dead skin, also helping you push your cuticles back. So that is what I am about to handle, girl. After that, I'm going in with the small grinding cone, and I will be using that to further grind that dead skin away and also grind the nail down just a little bit. After that, I'm going in with my emery head, and I'm going to use that to further file my nails and shape them, and also file down any ingrown nails as well. And lastly, with the nail drill, I will be going in with the felt buffer cone, and I will just be buffing the nails out, smoothing them out, and that will be that. And I will go ahead and do the same steps to my other foot off camera, and then I'll come back for the final steps. Now I'm going to take this quad little pedicure brush thing from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going in with the little petty egg, little skin, look aside, whatever. And I'm going in with that, and I am using that to scrape off the dead skin, honey. And then I'm gonna go in with like the little sandpaper side. We're just gonna sand the heels down, make sure all the skin, on the bottom of your feet is smooth. And lastly, I'm going in with this foot scrub, honey. It was from a company at the mall called Premier One, child. You know them folks bring you down and harass your child. And instead of me pressing charges, honey, I didn't press the purchase. But it's a good scrub. It smells really good. It has like a lot of good minerals and oils in it, and it also has the dead sea salt. So yeah. And honey, when I tell you he had a soul on this, because me and my mom literally had just walked out the bathroom, and he knew we had just walked out the bathroom because he sat there and watched us. And we had literally just washed our hands. We still had our paper towels in our hand and everything. He was like, come try. And we like, wait, come try what, honey? He like, no, it's only take 2 seconds, a few seconds. So we like, okay. So we literally put this scrub in our hands, and then he rinsed it off, and it was so much dirt and stuff in that bowl. And we like, you gotta be kidding me. Like, we literally just washed our hands. He was like, I know, that's why, like, you have to try. And honey, it was sold at that point. That scrub was sold. Like, it was sold, honey. Like, look at the oils. Look at it. Look at the oil on my feet, honey. And of course, the last and final step is polishing, which I truly suck at. I could never ever get like an even coat of polish, but I'm gonna do 2 coats and I'm gonna follow that up with clear and I will be done. I lied. I'm gonna go back in with a concealer brush, or you can use a lip pencil brush, or if you got any art brushes or whatever, just a tiny brush and some nail polish remover just to go around like my cuticle and stuff and clean up where I was being a little messy.